guys, it's George from Empire Legal here. You can probably hear that jackhammering noise in the background. Well, yep, that's exactly what it is. We're in our Spring Hill office, and upstairs they're jackhammering. So what we're actually going to be doing is closing this office for the rest of the week. Oh, it stopped for a second. We're going to be closing this office for the rest of the week. So please don't rock up at the office. We are going to be appointment only, but our Gold Coast and Manly offices will still be continuing to trade as normal. It's making it really hard to do phone calls. If you need to get in touch, please email info@empirelegal.com.au or call 0730887675. Thank you very much.